Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the images ready and the software open. Make sure you shot a focus bracketed sequence with consistent exposure and steady framing. That consistency lets Helicon align cleanly. Once done, import the whole sequence directly into a new project. Drag or use project right arrow import to preserve order. While importing, verify frames are in the correct focus progression so you don't waste time later. This first step quickly eliminates alignment mistakes and sets the stage for precise stacking. You next choose how Helicon will combine pixels and why. Weighted average smooths transitions, depth map preserves hard edges. Once selected, run a line to correct slight shifts, then render to build the stacked image. Make sure to zoom to 100% and scan edges where artifacts appear. This step prevents hidden blending errors. If you spot halos or ghosting, open retouch mode and paint corrections using source frames. This targeted repair preserves detail without re-rendering the whole stack. You finish by exporting the rendered result in a lossless format like TIFF 16-bit if you plan edits, or high-quality JPEG for quick use. This keeps tonal fidelity. Once exported, perform final local retouches and global sharpening in your editor. Doing this after stacking avoids amplifying artifacts. If the stack shows consistent misalignment, check EXIF focus order, disable lens corrections during capture, or reshoot with smaller focus steps. That one troubleshooting change typically fixes most blending issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.